Sorry, because English is not my mother tongue. I'm sorry if I speak something wrong, but I hope you can understand. Like this. Has a purple, mixed purple, and this one is yellow. I also have another one pink, but the one I gave it to my friend. All I may always give it away like this. And this is my very new project. The tutorial I haven't posted yet, but I'm bringing it to showing you guys in this video. This is a tulip keychain. I also have the purple one like this, and when we use with a bow, it's gonna be look like this, but the original one is like this. And this one too, you guys can use it to tie your hair, or you can make it up your sibling gift, like to tie hair like I'm showing you like this. Like this. It's super cute. Once you tie your hair up, and you can use it like this. This looks nice for me. Oh, the keychain is right as well. Sorry, forgot. This one is two. This one I have made already too. This tulip, mini tulip keychain. like this. Nice. Last but not least, I have one left item. Bucket hat. Ta-da! It's like colorful. You know why? I use the yarn that have left of the ball. Like for one ball is 125 gram. So all I made that have a little left, I use it to create this bucket hat. Like I combine all the yarn together to make the shape like this. You see. For this project, I make half double crochet stitch. It's colorful. I love this one. And this is the outside look, and the inside look is like this. You know, because I have attached many of yarn again and again. You have the tail left. I haven't cut it yet, but soon. So, I'll try it on to you guys to look how does it look. Watching my video for the whole time, and I hope you guys stay tuned for my next video. So see you guys. It's my next video. Bye bye.